Today I'm going to talk about the installation of our MORryde X-Brace Scissor Jack Stabilizers. This was an easy install that made a huge difference in our travel trailer. Hey everyone, this is Matt from RV Travel Adventures. Let's jump right in and talk about the install of our X-Brace Scissor Jack Stabilizers on our Grand Design 2250 RK travel trailer. We partnered with MORryde on this upgrade and absolutely love it. This simple product has made a much bigger impact on the stability of our trailer than we ever expected. I was sold on our last trip when my wife and 50-pound bulldog were walking around the back of the trailer while I tried to sleep in. There was no shaking or bouncing to wake me up, and for me, that's a win. So let's take a look at the installation. Installing the MORryde X-Brace Stabilizers was actually a fairly easy job. After opening the box and laying out all the contents and taking a short read through the instructions, we determined all we really needed was a couple of wrenches, and it didn't look like it would take us very long at all. We did have to measure between our stabilizer jacks to determine if the two extensions that are included in your box were needed, and then for our case, we did not need them, so we just set them aside. We raised the jacks just slightly off of the ground to give us a little bit of flexibility in our work, and then followed the instructions step by step. It was really as simple as removing a bolt from the bottom of the stabilizer jack, replacing it with the included longer bolts, giving you enough length to attach the crossbars. So repeating that same process on the top, just removing one of the bolts off the top and also replacing it with the included bolts, allowing you a little bit of excess length to bolt on the X-Brace stabilizer. Moving over to the second side of the camper, we followed the same exact process on this jack as we did on the first side. We removed a bolt from the bottom of our stabilizer jack and reattached using the included longer bolt and the X-Brace bar from the other side, creating an X pattern. We did the same on the top, removing a top bolt and securing the X-Brace to the top using all of the included hardware and tightening, but making sure not to over tighten and crush the X-Brace. Once the X-Braces are installed, you're ready to raise your jacks all the way up and use the included wrench to make sure that the two parts of your stabilizers are joined together by putting a little tension on them following the instructions that are included with your kit. Once all of that's complete, you're ready to put your scissor jacks back down to the ground, put some tension on them, again using the included wrench. Usually takes about 10 to 20 rotations to get a nice snug fit, and you'll be ready to go. Once installed and our jacks are lowered and everything was tensioned up, we immediately noticed a significant difference in our trailer stability. So like I said at the beginning, this product delivers. We've noticed a big difference in the movement throughout our trailer and from a product that's relatively easy to install. I'll drop a link to the product in the captions along with a discount code for 7% off and free shipping on this or any MORryde aftermarket part. If you found this video helpful or informative, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. I'm Matt from RV Travel Adventures. Be safe, guys. We'll see you out there on the road.